Hey guys, Spencer here, and I'm back with another product review. Today I'm checking out these brake pads that I picked up. We're gonna go ahead and remove the hubcaps and then the wheel from this Chevy Cruze, and then I'll take you guys through how easy it is to replace your brake pads on the Chevy Cruze. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wheel to me so that I have better access and I can actually see the back of the calipers. I'm using a 10mm socket to loosen the calipers. It's super easy to remove the calipers on the Chevy Cruze. All you have to do is go ahead and remove the bottom bolt. Once that's removed, all you have to do is lift this up. Just have it sitting like that. Now you have access to both of the brake pads. That squeaking sound that I had is from this right here, this metal part. It lets you know when it's time to switch out your brake pads. So here are the new pads, which I highly recommend. As you can see, it's slotted to help reduce heat when the pads are pressing up against the rotor, and it's fully ceramic. So after you put all the new pads, usually you're gonna have to push this back with a seat clamp. If you don't have a seat clamp, you can just right to the bar. Use the caliper for leverage, and make sure to take off the cap from your brake fluid so that it releases some air. All right, and it's about pushed all the way in. So now we're gonna put the calipers back on. It should just slide right over the brand new brake pads. And voila, just like that. All right, so the new brake job is about done. I'm just putting on the 10mm bolt, and then I'm gonna put everything else back together, and then we're good to go. And one last thing, after everything is back on, make sure that you pump your brakes and then put your brake fluid cap back on.